our text, we're going to have a flat list. Okay, so let's go ahead and import a flat list component here. So make sure that the component has been imported right on top. Okay, so we have our flat list component here. So we're good to go. Okay, let's close this here and get rid of this space. So first we're going to require the data. Okay, so we need to call our data prop. Instead of our data, we need to feed our data. So our data is going to come from item.foot tags like that. Okay, right underneath, we're going to disable the vertical square indicator. So we're going to set it to false. We need style. So for style, we're going to just go ahead and have margin top. So we need to give it a margin top of 5. Right after that, we need to have the horizontal prop, and we need to enable scroll. So not forgetting our key extractor. So here we need item, and our key extractor is going to be the item itself, like that. So we need to render our item. So we need the render item prop. So here we're going to have our item, and then we need to display whatever component that we want to display. Okay, so we're going to have a view. We need to close it. Let's have our view over here. We need to close it. Okay, so we need to add a little bit of style to our view, and then we're going to have a text. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is to have a text component first. So inside of our text, we're going to have our item. Yeah, okay, so our item has to be wrapped around braces. We have a text, description text, so we should be able to show something, but it's weird, like nothing is showing. So let's go ahead and try to see what's happening. Okay, so here we don't have data because this spelling is wrong. It's supposed to be foot tags. Okay, so here now we have our data. Okay, so we just need to design it so that it can be presentable, because right now this is just a list. Okay, so we just need to add style here first. So for style, we're just going to do everything in here. We're going to have right, and on the right we're going to give it a 10. Margin horizontal, we're going to give it a horizontal of 10 as well. And as for the background color, we're going to give it a color of colors.primary, like that. Okay, and let's give it a border radius. So we're going to give it a border radius of 8, like that. So that's going to be the style of our wrapper. So let's go ahead and export this style to our styles. We can call it tags. Okay, so right underneath, we need to create tags, and we need to paste. Let's see. Okay, this is wrong. It's supposed to be tags. We need to paste our style. Save. That's okay. So let's bring this down. Bring this down. We're going to bring this down as well, and we're going to bring this down. After, we need to add a comma. Okay, so here we need to style our text a little bit. So for our text, we're going to use a little bit of padding, but before that, let's go ahead and have our style double brace. We're going to have padding horizontal, and we're going to give it a padding horizontal of 4, like that. And we're going to change the color a little bit. We need the color of the text to be visible, so we have to make it white. So we're going to go with light white, like that. So that's going to be our list of tags. So we're done with this. What we can do here, we can try to give it an 8. Okay, even 10 will be okay. So we're going to leave it like that. Right underneath, we're going to have our edited. So we're done with this flat list. So let's just close it.